Hey folks, Mobile Geezer, back with the Moto Edge Plus that I picked up this week. I've had it for a few days and just haven't had time to edit this video and get it up, but this will just be a quick one, just showing you that I got it, and of course I'll be doing some testing and showing you some camera samples. So let's get started.
Let's do this!
So a quick look at the packaging, Moto Edge Plus. So what comes in the box? Was the Motorola Edge Plus 2022, the turbo power charger. Wow, you even get a charger. It's 30 watts, by the way. USB Type-C cable, of course your usual paperwork, and your SIM tool. Quick look at the phone. Back camera is 108 megapixel wide, an 8 megapixel telephoto, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide. Up top we have our microphone. And on the bottom our SIM tray, our 30 watt USB Type-C in, microphone and speaker, of course. And on the right we have our volume up and down and our power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor and works very well. As you can see, the color I got is Stardust White. I love the way it shimmers and changes color. And of course there's Motorola branding on the back. So this is the unlocked version, not tied to any carrier, which I tend to buy. Now let's see if we've got power. I'll set that aside and let it boot up, and we'll see what else is in the box. There's our usual paperwork on our SIM tool. And then we've got our cable. And our 30 watt charger. So now we're all booted up. Of course, apps are still downloading. And one thing I wanted to show you guys, the Motorola Edge Plus comes with Ready For, which is much like Samsung's DeX, but I gather better. So we'll see. I'll do some testing with that and some comparison with DeX, and we'll see which one is better. So that's my quick unboxing of the Motorola Edge Plus. It's available on the Moto website for $1,000 basically. Is it worth that much? Compared to the other flagship, I think it well might be, just based on the testing I've done for a couple of days. But we'll find out. And as always, comments are welcome. And thanks for watching.
Yeah.